Hello student, welcome to the BM classes. I am Vishnu Manam, lecturing in English, Piravati Women's College, Teresinga. Today I am going to teach you the first story of the plus 2 second year Art Science Commerce, the Doctor, the Doctor Wars, written by the famous short story writer, novelist R.K. Narayan. Let us discuss the first short story of the plus 2 second year arts, Dr. Wars. Before we go to the summary of the story, we have to discuss the title of the story first. The doctor, the word doctor is a person who treat the sick people. Doctor in Odia, doctor. Doctor is a person who treat the sick person or who generally treat ଆଉ ଯିଏ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ରୋଗୀମାନଙ୍କର ଚିକିତ୍ସା ଯିଏ କରନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଡାକ୍ତର ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱାର୍ଡ ୱାର୍ଡସ୍, ଡକ୍ଟର ୱାର୍ଡସ୍, ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ମିନ୍ସ in this case Bani, or in some cases words is the most important for a patient. In this short story, the famous writer R.K. Narayan has uh, written how the words of a doctor is important for a patient and how the word of a doctor is very important for a sick people. He has described very beautifully in this short story. Before we go to the summary of this short story, we have to know about the famous short story writer R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is Indian English famous novelist, short story writer, and he has written so many poems, story, novel, etc., etc. Among them, the Malgudi Days is the famous short story an imaginary village, which is already published as serial, a short story in the television show. He has received his doctoral degree in Indian English literature, and R.K. Narayan is such a famous novelist and story writer. Let us discuss about his name. R.K. Narayan is short form. R.K. Narayan, the full form of the R.K. Narayan is R stand for Rasipuram, his village Rasipuram, and K stand for Kumar Swami, and his title is Narayan. R.K. Narayan is the short name of Rasipuram Kumar Swami. His full name is Rasipuram Kumar Swami. The Doctor Wars is his famous story. In this story, how the patient believe the word of a doctor and how the doctor treat his patient equally or unequally. That's all the poets describe in this short story very clearly. Once upon a time there was a doctor whose name is Dr. Raman. Dr. Raman was a kind-hearted doctor in this short story, and at his locality the patient of any area come to his clinic for treatment, and he was such a kind-hearted person. He never tell lie to any patient, and he is a free frank doctor. He never cheat to any person. His visiting fees was 25 rupee only, and he treat the every patient equally. This is the quality of that Dr. Raman. He was very kind-hearted person, and in this story, Dr. R.K. Narayan, Dr. R.K. Narayan discuss and say about the kind-hearted Dr. Raman, how his treatment was important for that time, and how the words of a doctor is important for a patient, and how the words of a doctor is important for a patient, how the words and how a doctor is God for a patient. Really, the doctor word is better than treatment. All the patient or the sick persons always believe to the doctor, and doctor word at the time is very much more important for the patient. And the patient at the last stage of a patient who always believe the word of a doctor, whether he is going to die or not die, that is not much more important, but the doctor word is very important. In this short story, we know about the doctor words and importance of doctor words, and how a patient or every patient equally treated by the Dr. Ramon. Dr. Ramon was such a kind-hearted person. How he treat every patient or sick man equally. In this day, it is not possible, but in this short story, this doctor, Dr. Ramon, treat every patient equally. How is it possible? It is very clever. ओके स्टूडेंट, आज एतिक पढ़ा। यही वीडियो पार्ट 2 देखापी प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक शेयर कमेंट। थैंक यू।